Hello students, today we are going to start part 3 of sorting materials into group. Today's topic which is covered, that is important physical properties of matter, solubility, flotation or sinking in water, and transparency. In previous topic we have studied about luster, hardness, softness, roughness and smoothness. And in this part 3 we are going to study these points. Let's start. So our first point is solubility. Now what is solubility? An important property of water is its ability to dissolve many substances in it. When anything is dissolved into water, that ability of water is said to be solubility. Is that clear? Now, on the basis of solubility, two things are classified: soluble and insoluble. Substance which can be dissolved in water are said soluble. Examples: sugar, glucose, etc. Insoluble, just opposite to it, substance which do not dissolve in water, example sand, chalk powder, oil, etc., is said to be insoluble. Now on this, solubility is being divided again into three parts on the basis of solid, liquid and gases. First, solubility of solids in water. Now many substances which can dissolve in water, solid materials, okay. Examples are salt and sugar. Solid means what? Which are in a form of small crystals. Yes, so salt and sugar are in the form of small crystals and they can easily dissolve in water. Now do not, it means which do not dissolve in water. Which do not dissolve in water are sand, iron, filling, etc. Now solubility of liquid in water. The liquid which get mixed with water completely are called miscible liquid. Yes, what it is called? Miscible liquid. Example: syrups, ink, etc. They all are liquid, and when you will add it into a water, what will happen? It will easily get dissolved into it. Now just opposite to it, the liquids which do not get mixed with water and form a separate layer on keeping for some time, they are called immiscible liquid. Example: kerosene, oil, etc. See, when you will add kerosene or oil into the water, what will happen? It will form a separate layer in the water and it will start floating. Now solubility of gases in water. Yes, some gases are soluble and others are insoluble in it. Now let us study that. Now oxygen dissolves in water because it helps the aquatic plants and animals to survive. And another gas is carbon dioxide. It dissolves in water and helps the aquatic plants in photosynthesis. Yes. Now another one which does not dissolve into the water, another gas, that is methane and nitrogen. They are the insoluble gases which do not dissolve in the water. Now next point is floatation or sinking in water. Now what is floatation? Substance which are lighter float over it. Okay, means float over water. Examples are leaf, edible oil, just right now we studied about it, petrol, etc. This is said to be flotation. Now what is sinking? Again, substance which are heavier sink in water, like iron, stone, etc. When you used to, and some may be pebbles also. Yes, so when you will throw pebbles, stone or iron into it, you'll drop it, what will happen? It will get sinked into the water because it is heavier. Now another topic is transparency. Next property. Now what is transparency? Now materials through which we can see very clearly is called transparent material, and this property is known as transparency. Example, water, window pane, etc. Another, materials through which we cannot see are called opaque material, and this property is said to be opacity. Example, wood, stone, metals. Materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly. Okay? It can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent materials. Example, frosted glass, which are used in our bathrooms, oiled paper, butter paper, etc. So in this way we have studied all the properties of matter, and I hope you all must have understood it very properly. Now in next video we'll discuss some worksheets. Okay, thank you.